Namaskar. On behalf of my dance academy, Gita's Upasana, I welcome you again to the second day of Dance Festival Arpan. Yesterday, we had presented a dance drama, Vishnupada Rasamrita, by Gita's Upasana Repertory, and a solo dance by Sri Devasis Patnaik of Raurkela, Odisha. This evening, we are going to present three outstanding Odissi dancer. Srimati Kavita Dwivedi, who is the recipient of Odisha Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Then Shatabdi Malik from Kolkata. She is a very talented, accomplished young artist. And Sanjeev Jenaji from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. And he is a very talented and outstanding artist. I'm sure you will enjoy this evening program. Namaskar.
Namaskar, I am Madhuri Bhomik, and on behalf of Guru Geeta Mahalik and Geeta's Upasana, I extend a warm welcome to you all on the day 2 of our virtual festival, Arpan. Padma Shri Guru Geeta Mahalik is the founder director of Geeta's Upasana. She is one of the most outstanding exponent of Odissi dance in India. Apart from the prestigious Padma Shri Award, she is also the recipient of Central Sangeet Natak Academy Award and Odisha State Sangeet Natak Academy Award. Critiques describes her dance as sheer poetry in motion. She has imbibed her knowledge under the guidance of late Guru Sri Devaprasad Das Ji and Padma Shri Guru Sri Mayadhar Rao Ji. She is also the recipient of Senior Fellowship by Government of India for her pioneering work in the field of evolution of Odissi dance. She has been performing solo, group, with her repertory in many international festivals in countries like Europe, USA, Canada, Nepal, Bangladesh, East and West Africa, and many more. She's been intensively performing in all the major Indian festivals such as Khajuraho Festival, Hampi Festival, Konark Festival, Ganga Mahotsav, Taj Festival, many more. She is one of the members of the advisory committee of Ministry of Culture and Ministry of Defence, Government of India. Recently, Guru Geeta Mahalik, along with her repertory, were invited to perform in Russia for Festival of India. Geeta's Upasana has earned a great reputation for producing outstanding dance productions in the capital. She's been working intensively in spreading her art and knowledge amongst various age groups under Geeta's Upasana. Now we will share Padma Bhushan Guru Dr. Saroja Vaidyanathan Ji's blessings and best wishes with you all.
Namaskar, I am Dr. Saroja Vaidyanathan, Padma Bhushan awardee, Bharatanatyam exponent, running an institution for the past 45 years, Ganesh Natyalaya in Delhi. Padma Shri SNA awardee Geeta Mahalik, the founder director of Academy of Performing Arts, is going to have a very big festival, Arpan, a dance festival by upcoming professionals and professionals. I know Geeta for many years. She's a very good human being, very good guru, dancer, and also administrator. My best wishes to her and to all the participants who are going to take part in this. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Guruji, for your such kind words. Now we begin our evening's program with a phenomenal artist, Shrimati Kavita Dwivedi ji. She's born and brought up in the traditional family of art practitioners. She is the disciple and daughter of late Guru Sri Hari Krishna Behra Ji, who was one of the pioneer gurus of Odissi dance. Srimati Kavita Dwivedi ji is known for her superb vision and abhinaya. She is a recipient of Odisha State Sangeet Natak Academy Award and is a recipient of Junior Fellowship by Ministry of Culture, Government of India. She has been performing in many festivals abroad in countries like USA, UK, Australia, and performing in all the major festivals of India. Beside this, she was also invited by a French theatre company to participate in their production as a lone Indian artist. She is the founder director of Odissi Academy, Delhi. Today she would be performing Shiva Panchakshara, a homage to Lord Shiva, the destroyer aspect of Hindu Trinity. He is the supreme being who creates, protects, and transforms the whole universe. He is the Neelkantha, who has swallowed the poison of the ocean. We worship you, thou Lord Shiva. We present to you Shiva Panchakshara by Srimati Kavita Dwivedi.
Namaskar, I'm Kavita Dwivedi, Odissi dancer. I'm very happy to be performing in this festival Arpan, being organized by Padma Shri Srimati Geeta Mahalik and her institute Geeta's Upasana. Arpan, as we all know, means offering. So I offer my dance at the feet of Lord Shiva, who is known for his cosmic power, divine power, and his beauty. The music has been composed by Sri Suresh Kumar Sethi and the choreography has been done by me. I hope you will like it. Do watch in, do log in on the Facebook page of Srimati Geeta Mahalik. Thank you.
तस्मै नकार शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय मंदाकिनी शरीर चंदन चर्चिताय मंदाकिनी शरीर चंदन चर्चिताय नंदीश्वर प्रमथ नाथ महेश्वराय नंदीश्वर प्रमथ नाथ महेश्वराय मंदार पुष्प बहु पुष्प सुपूजिताय मंदार पुष्प बहु पुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्जवृन्द शिवाय गौरी वदनाब्जवृन्द सूर्याय दक्षध्वज नाशकाय तस्मै शिकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय वसिष्ठ शेखराय तस्मै वाकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय वीणाकहस्ताय सनातनाय यक्षस्वरूपाय जटाधराय वीणाकहस्ताय सनातनाय 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 दिव्याय देवाय दिगम्बराय तस्मै यकाराय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय नमः शिवाय ॐ 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 नमः
It was a mesmerizing performance. I'm sure you all would agree with me. Now we are fortunate to have best wishes from Guru Durga Charan Ranbir ji from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. He is the recipient of Central and State Sangeet Natak Academy Award and the founder director of Dance School Nrityan.
नमस्कार मु ओडिसी नृत्य गुरु श्रीयुक्त दुर्गाचरण रणबीर आज ये ओडिसी नृत्य विषय किसी कहमी आज जहाँ बड़ सौभाग्यर दिन श्रीमती पद्मश्री गीता महाली आज बड़ सुंदर नृत्य कार्यक्रम आयोजन करछंती से सब वर्ष ये नृत्य उत्सव करती से गीता महाली ओडिशार नुहे भारत वर्ष नुहे सारा पृथ्वी से नृत्य प्रदर्शन करी बहुत प्रशंसार पात्री ओ से सबू नृत्य उत्सव नृत्य महोत्सव नृत्य परिवेशन करी निजकू धन्य धन्य अर्पण करछंती से खाली पद्मश्री नुहे से भारत सरकार केंद्र संगीत नाटक अकादमी पुरस्कार पाइबा सहित ओडिशा सरकार राज्य संगीत नाटक अकादमी पुरस्कार प्राप्त से आहरी बहुत सम्मान अधिकारी से निजर गोटे स्कूल अच्छी बहुत छात्र छात्री से तालीम दे आज से नृत्य कार्यक्रम नृत्य उत्सव मोर छात्री कुमारी सप्तारी मल्लिक को सुजोग देथिबारु अंतर धन्यवाद जनाऊँगी। जहाँ हो ताकर नृत्य कार्यक्रम आहरी सफलतर हो यहाँ मोर जगन्नाथ पाखे प्रार्थना। आज सप्तारी मल्लिक जो नृत्य कार्यक्रम परिवेशन करेंगे विषय मुझे कहूँ सप्तारी मल्लिक जड़े भल नृत्यशिल्पी कहले अत्युक्ति हेब ना। से भारत सरकार वृत्ति लाभ करशा सरकार वृत्ति लाभ कर भारत सरकार फेलोशिप पाई बहुत सम्मान से अधिकारी बहुत जगह सम्मानित होती नृत्यशिल्पी भाव में तांकर भी गोटे स्कूल कलिकता सप्ताह नृत्यानुभवी तैयारी कर बहुत छात्र छात्री तालीम देते से सारा भारत वर्ष विभिन्न प्रांत देश बाहर विदेश नृत्य प्रदर्शन कर सम्मानिता नृत्य कार्यक्रम अति सुंदर। जहाँ हो आज श्रीमती पद्मश्री गीता महालिक जो सुजोग देती पाखे कृतज्ञता ज्ञापन करुँची। से आज परिवेशन करेंगे देवी गोटे प्रस्तुत कर आइटम से आइटम टी मोर संरचना मोर निर्देश मोर तत्वावधान या जहाँ हो जगन्नाथ को जनाऊँगी नृत्य कार्यक्रम आहरी सफल हो। श्रीमती पद्मश्री गीता महालिक यही नृत्य कार्यक्रम मु भगवान पाखे प्रणाम जनाऊँगी। जगन्नाथ आहरी उत्तर उत्तर उन्नति करूँ यह कही मोर वक्तव्य शेष कर।
Thank you, Guruji, for your best wishes. Now we have our next performer, Shatabdi Malik from Kolkata. She has blossomed into one of the finest exponent of Odissi dance at such a young age, under the guidance of Guru Shri Gajendra Kumar Panda and Guru Shri Durga Charan Ranveer Ji. She is an impaneled artist of ICCR and the recipient of Junior and Senior Scholarship by Ministry of Culture and the Junior Fellowship by Ministry of Culture, Government of India. She has performed abroad in festivals in Brazil, Porto Alegre, and has been performing extensively in all the major Indian festivals too. Today she would be performing Bhagwati Devi, depicting Shakti as the personification of the primordial power of the universe, the feminine side of the ultimate being. The various manifestations of Shakti are Durga, Kali, Chamunda, Chandi, Gauri and Uma, incorporating the feminine beauty of the three worlds. We present to you Bhagwati Devi by Shatabdi Malik in Rag Todi and Tal Jati.
Namaskar, I am Shatabdi Malik from Kolkata, a disciple of Guru Sri Durga Charan Ranveer. I have been receiving training in the Odissi dance style of late Guru Sri Deva Prasad Das. I am very much thankful to Guru Srimati Geeta Mahalik ma'am for giving me this wonderful opportunity to perform in her dance festival.
भगवती देवी नमो वर जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायण नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायण जय चंद्र दिवाकर नेत्रधारी जय मामक भूषित वक्त्रभरे जय चंद्र दिवाकर नेत्रधारी जय मामक भूषित वक्त्रभरे जय भैरवी देह लीन परे जय भैरवी देह लीन परे जय अंधकार दैत्य विमोक्ष हरे नमो वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे जय भगवती देवी नमो वरदे जय महिषा विमर्दिनी शूलकरे जय लोक समस्त पापहरे 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 जय देवी पितामह विष्णुनते जय देवी पितामह विष्णुनते जय भास्कर सख शिरोमणि जय भगवती देवी जय भगवती देवी जय भगवती देवी
जय दुर्गा देवी दुर्गा महिषासुरमर्दिनी झमक झम झम झमक झम झम खंड खप्पर धारिणी मुख सुढळ चूर्ण कुंतळ त्रिनेत्र चारुहासिनी कन्या कुंडल कौस्तुभ मळ डम डम डमरुवादिनी धिमिता धिमि धिमिता धया धिमि धिमि जय मा सिंहवाहिनी परा बुते नाट ताल मान प्रकट मद्दळ वीणा शंख ध्वनि मा चंद्रशेखर मोहिनी मा अभय वरदायिनी मा दुर्गे दुर्गतिनी धैता धै कृतक ताति देता ताति ते धाधा दिन भाग दिखा धैता धै कृतक ताति देता धैता धाधा
জয় বাঞ্ছিত দায়িনী সিদ্ধি হরে হরে নমো বরদে জয় ভগবতী দেবী নমো বরদে জয় ভগবতী দেবী নমো বরদে জয় ভগবতী দেবী জয় ভগবতী शरणागत दीनाथ परित्राणाय परायणे सर्वसार्थ हरे देवी नारायणे नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते ॐ नमः भगवते देवी नमो नमः ॐ नमः भगवते देवी नमो नमः ॐ नमः भगवते देवी नमो नमः नमो नमः नमो नमः
It was such an appealing performance. We could feel the strength of Shant Anugrah Bhav of Ma Durga. Now, in the finale of our festival, we have Sri Sanjeev Kumar Jana from Bhubaneswar, Odisha. He is one of the senior disciples of Guru Sri Vichitrananda Swain. With his hard work and determination, he has mastered the intricacies of Odissi dance and proved himself as one of the best male dancers at such a young age. He has toured and performed internationally in countries like Korea, Sri Lanka, France, and have been performing in all the major festivals of India too. He is one of the dynamic teachers at Rudraksha Foundation. Today he would be performing Mahakali Stuti, expressing the truth of life by worshipping Mahakali, who is the dark and furious incarnation of goddess Durga. She hangs skulls as her garland and smears ashes from cremation ground. Ladies and gentlemen, we present to you Mahakali Stuti by Sanjeev Kumar Jana. The music composition is by Guru Vinod Bihari Panda and choreography by Guru Vichitrananda Swain.
Hey,
जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपाली जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपाली जयंती मंगला काली भद्रकाली कपाली भद्रकाली कपालिनी भद्रकाली कपालिनी भद्रकाली कपालिनी भद्रकाली कपालिनी
धागे धागे दातिंदा हक दे दातिंदा धागे धागे दातिंदा दे दातिंदा 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 दादे दादा दिगना दे दादे दादा दिगना दे दादे दादा दिगना दे
दुर्गा क्षमा शिवा धात्री स्वाहा सोधा नमस्तुते स्वाहा सोधा नमस्तुते स्वाहा सोधा नमस्तुते स्वाहा सोधा नमस्तुते
तातिन सिना तातिन सिना तत्जय तत्जय तातिन सिना तातिन सिना तातिन सिना तत्जय तत्जय तातिन सिना तत्तदेना तत्तदेना तदेना तदेना तत्तदेना 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 तदेना तदेना तत्तदेना तारे दादा दिगना दे तारे दादा दिगना दे तारे दादा दिगना दे
जय तुम देवी चामुंडे जय भूता तिहारी जय तुम देवी चामुंडे जय भूता तिहारी जय सर्वगते देवी काल रात्रि नमोस्तुते 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 सर्व मंगल शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नमोस्तुते सृष्टि स्थिति विनाशाय शक्ति भूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणी नमोस्तुते 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 नारायणी ॐ सर्व चैतन्य रूपान्ता आद्यां विद्यां च धीमहि बुद्धिं यो नः प्रचोदयात् ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः
We are enthralled by such a marvelous performance. On this note, we come to the end of our 2-day virtual dance festival, Arpan. We hope you all had a great experience by watching these beautiful performances as much as we enjoyed and feel privileged by curating this festival for you all. Now I invite Guru Geeta Mahalik to propose word of thanks.
Hello everyone. You must have enjoyed this evening's program. Now the time has come to convey my gratitude to those who have supported and assisted me. First of all, my pranam to my Guru, Padma Shri Guru Sri Maidhar Rautji, for his kind blessings. Guru Padma Bhushan Srimati Saroja Vaidyanathan ji, Guru Sri Durgacharan Ranbir ji, and Guru Sri Chetan Joshi ji for their best wishes. Thank you. Then I must thank my guest artists of this 2 days dance festival. Srimati Kavita Dwivedi, Shatabdi Malik, Devashish Patnaik, and Sanjeev Jenaji to have agreed to perform in this 2 days dance festival. Thank you very much for your support. Then I must thank Madhuri Bhomik for her beautiful comparing. In fact, she is one of my senior disciple and a very good dancer herself. My special thanks to Aditya Sadan for his beautiful videography. Then I must thank Tanmay Panda for her overall assistance. She is another of my senior and very talented dancer. Then at last, but not the least, I must thank the viewers for their support. Without their presence, the festival would have incomplete. Thank you very much. Namaskar.